Shalom Aleichem, and welcome once again to Abyssal Yiddish for alle. When we want to express a strong wish or desire to do certain things, in English we usually say, let's do something, let us do something. Let's go for a walk. Let's have a cup of coffee. In this case, in Yiddish, we use the construction LOMIR plus the infinitive. The auxiliary verb LOMIR corresponds here to let us, let's in English, and the infinitive is basically a dictionary form of the main verb. Examples: LOMIR gehen, let's go. LOMIR gehen. LOMIR laufen, let's run. LOMIR laufen. LOMIR kaufen Brot, let's buy some bread. LOMIR kaufen Brot. LOMIR essen Latkes, let's eat some latkes. LOMIR essen latkes. LOMIR reden Yiddish, let's speak Yiddish. LOMIR reden Yiddish. LOMIR reden a bissel Yiddish, let's speak a little Yiddish. LOMIR reden a bissel Yiddish. Thank you for watching und seid gesund.